Hey everyone, Courtney here with Southern Owls, and today I am going to teach you how I pack up my large wreaths. So I buy my wreath boxes from Grainger. This is a 22 by 22 by 8. I really like to use this size box when I'm packing up a wreath that I've made on a work form. That 8 inches really gives it enough space so it doesn't smush your bows or any kind of embellishments that you have on your design. Sorry, my big old head. Let me grab my tape dispenser. Okie dokie. And we're just going to put some tape. Oh my gosh. Woo! I buy my tape in bulk from Walmart. Is the cheapest place I have found. So we're just going to add a few pieces of tape to the bottom. And one right across here. And then what I like to do is open this box all right back up. Let me grab an empty work form. I'm going to put that right down in there. I'm going to grab my needle nose pliers. And I'm going to put that kind of in the middle, and we're just going to poke holes around the frame. We're going to do, let me box this up like this, spin it around. We're going to go 2 in that corner, and then 2 holes in this corner. I'm going to take that empty work form out. I'll put it back over here on my rack. Okay, and then I grab 2 pipe cleaners. It can be any color. And I'm going to thread those pipe cleaners through these holes that I just punctured in my box. Those 2 holes. Thread that right through. Just like that. We're going to open up our box. Okay. And we're going to put our adorable baseball themed wreath in here. This wreath was a custom order going up north to a host family who is hosting my client's son for baseball, which is really cool. Okay, so those pipe cleaners that we added into the box, I'm now threading those around the work form. Okay. Making sure they go around the work form, around the bars, and then twist, twist, twist. Nice. A couple times. Really nice and tight down in there. Okay. All right, so now what I always like to do is add in some tissue paper. Like so. I normally do a handwritten note, but my client did a handwritten note for me. We're going to add that in one of my business cards because this could be maybe a potential new client. She doesn't know I exist yet, but she will. I'm just kidding. And now we're going to tape up that box. Doing that same thing. Put tape around like that so it makes a T, and then we're going to put tape on pipe cleaners. So if there's any moisture or anything like that, nothing drips down into our box. Okay. And then I have some fun stickers that I always like to add. Southern Owl stickers. And then I have this Happy Mail from Texas. So I'll get those added on off camera. And of course, I will make the sticker as well where it is getting shipped to. I hope this packing tutorial helps you and your small business. And I can't wait to craft with y'all again soon. Bye, everyone.